Right now, I'm going to show you how to nature journal if you can't draw. So, you think you can't draw, and whenever you try, the results don't look right. You usually don't even try because you're afraid of the result, but you really want a nature journal, and you have a feeling that maybe you have creative potential inside. And you keep watching videos about drawing and nature journaling, but you still haven't started yet. Don't worry, you are not alone. Right now, I'm going to show you a bunch of tips that are going to help you out. And if you stay all the way until the end of the video, I think you'll realize that the problem isn't that you can't draw. The problem is your mindset. Okay, here I am. I'm nervous. There's a lot of cool stuff going on here. That'd be really great to capture in my nature journal. I know that I should be trying to nature journal this, but part of me is saying that I should just walk around and take pictures maybe. Also, it's kind of hard to decide what to nature journal first. Maybe I should just maybe I should just walk around looking for a better subject. Yeah, I don't want to draw pelicans anyways. Maybe I can just keep looking for something better to draw. Oh, maybe that marine iguana. Wait, this is sort of reminding me of an episode of the Nature Journal show I saw one time. What did Marley say? Okay, don't walk around. Don't look for a better subject. Take out my journal as soon as possible and start drawing right away. What else did he say? Oh yeah, he said to focus on shapes, drawing shapes, and do lots of quick, small drawings. I guess I'll just draw this wing shape here and kind of focus more on it like a geometric shape instead of thinking about it as being part of this pelican. Yeah, I'll try that to start. Okay, I got 3 little drawings. That doesn't really look like anything though, but I think Marley said I could just add words describing what the drawing was to help. And that was kind of boring, so I think I'm going to try the pelican head. Alright, let's see. Ooh, it's a weird shape. And I'm going to try draw it. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, that's not really coming out looking quite right. So, what was the other thing Marley said? Oh yeah, make it into a diagram. I'll try drawing another version of it here, and then start adding some like words and arrows and stuff, and turn it into a diagram, and that'll take some of the pressure off of the drawing. Well, I don't really have any cool drawings yet, but I do have some questions, so I'm going to write down some of my questions here because I'm sort of curious about that weird tip on the pelican's beak. You know, now that I look at my page, the combination of words and questions and diagrams and bad drawings is actually starting to look kind of cool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try to just get one drawing of that pelican standing up to... Oh, yeah, dang, that's not looking that great. Okay, switch gears. What was the other thing Marley said to do when you can't draw? Oh yeah, zoom in on one small thing. I think I'm just gonna... The feet, I think he said. I'm gonna zoom in on the feet and see if I can at least try to draw that shape. Kind of big, zoomed in. Their feet are pretty weird. Let's see here. I'll put it in a box. That'll make it look better. Also, using measurements and numbers will take pressure off of the drawing. And remember, try to capture nature moments that are exciting and interesting to you, even if you have to turn them into a cartoon or describe them in writing. What the... Dang, I'm really starting to get into this, but I think Marley's final tip was to stop before you're done. Oh yeah, how could I forget? His last tip was to treat yourself and get a snack as a reward. Not what the pelicans are having. I think an ice cream would be better. So, did you get the good drawing you wanted? Maybe not. But were you transformed along the way? I bet so. And you will get better at drawing with time, if you actually do it. So you have to trick yourself into doing it at first and try to make the process fun. If you're only focused on the outcome, you will never be able to practice enough to actually get good. Even once you get good at drawing, there will always be things that are hard for you to draw. So this cycle will repeat forever. Might as well get used to not being good at drawing and focusing instead on the process.
Are you still confused about buying nature journaling supplies? Check out this video here where I make it easy for you.